Have you ever noticed how strange this is? People today are earning more money than they did a few years ago, but somehow they don't feel any safer. In fact, many people feel more stressed now than when they were earning less. And that doesn't make sense at first. You think, if I earn more, life should feel easier. If my income goes up, I should feel more secure. But for a lot of people, the opposite happens. Income goes up. Stress stays the same. Sometimes it even gets worse. Why? Because income and wealth are not the same thing, and most people never stop to understand the difference. Let me walk you through what usually happens. You get a raise. Maybe it's small. Maybe it's big. Either way, it feels good. You feel validated. You feel like your effort finally paid off. You feel like you're moving forward in life. And then, without really thinking about it, a quiet thought appears in your mind. Now I can improve my lifestyle. Not in a crazy way, just a little. You don't say, I'm going to ruin my finances. You say, I deserve this. I've worked hard. It's time to enjoy life a bit more. So you upgrade something. Maybe it's a newer phone. Maybe it's a nicer car. Maybe it's a bigger apartment. Maybe it's eating out more often. Maybe it's subscriptions, comfort, convenience. Each decision feels reasonable. Each one feels harmless. But here's the dangerous part. Those upgrades don't come alone. They bring monthly payments. They bring higher bills. They bring new expectations. And slowly, quietly, your lifestyle grows to match your income. So even though you're earning more, you're not keeping more. At the end of the month, you check your account, and it looks almost the same as before. That's when confusion starts. You think, how is this possible? I'm earning more now. Where is the money going? The truth is uncomfortable. The money isn't disappearing. You're spending it, just not all at once. It's leaking out in small, regular amounts. And small leaks sink ships. Month after month, the raise gets absorbed by your lifestyle. Not dramatically, not obviously, but completely. You don't feel rich. You don't feel free. You just feel stuck. And here's where the trap becomes really dangerous. Instead of questioning spending, most people question income. They think, I guess I just need to earn more. I need another raise. I need a better job. I need another source of income. So they push harder. They work more. They stress more. They sacrifice more time. And when the next raise comes, the cycle repeats. New income, new upgrades, same stress. This is lifestyle inflation. It's one of the most common reasons people stay financially fragile for decades. Now, imagine this. Two people, same age, same job, same income, same raise. Person one upgrades everything. Bigger place, newer car, more comfort, more spending. Person two doesn't. They keep their lifestyle mostly the same. They let the raise go somewhere else, to savings, to investments, to security. After a few years, these two people live completely different lives. The first person looks successful. Nice things, busy life, always upgrading. But inside, they feel pressure. Bills need to be paid. Payments don't stop. They can't afford to slow down. The second person doesn't look special. No flashy upgrades, no big display. But they sleep better. They have options. They have room to breathe. Same income, very different outcomes. That's the part people don't want to accept. Money doesn't automatically change your life. Your decisions do. A raise is powerful, but only if you use it correctly. A raise can buy you freedom, or it can buy you nicer chains. And most people accidentally choose the chains, because upgrades feel good immediately. Saving feels boring. Investing feels slow. Not upgrading feels like you're missing out. But over time, something important happens. The pleasure of upgrades fades. The stress of expenses stays. You get used to the new phone.
You get used to the new car. You get used to the bigger place. But the bills never get used to you. They come every month, forever. That's why so many people feel exhausted while earning more. They're managing stuff, not building wealth. Now, here's a hard truth. Looking rich and being rich are often opposites. Many people who look rich are stretched thin. Many people who are wealthy don't look impressive at all. Real wealth doesn't need attention. It doesn't need validation every year. Real wealth is quiet. It shows up as calm, as options, as the ability to say no. So if your income is rising, but your savings aren't, that's not bad luck. It's feedback. It's your life telling you something important. It's telling you that upgrades are stealing your future. You don't need to earn more to fix that. You need to keep more. Because the goal isn't to work harder forever. The goal isn't to chase raises forever. The goal is to reach a point where money stops controlling your decisions, where you can slow down, where you can breathe, where you have choice. And that only happens when you stop upgrading your lifestyle and start upgrading your financial foundation. Same income, different decisions, different life.